Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Gmail account that contains the messages to delete. Use the search bar to narrow results with operators like from, label, has, attachment, or newer than 7D so you target only the messages you want. Once visible messages appear, click the checkbox at the top left to select the page, then click the prompt to select all conversations matching the search. This ensures you won't miss messages beyond the first page. With all conversations selected, click the trash icon to move them into trash. Once moved, navigate to the trash label, make sure the list matches your selection, and choose Empty Trash now to permanently erase them. Gmail keeps items 30 days otherwise. If you have thousands of emails, the permanent removal can take several minutes as servers process the request, so remain on the page until Gmail confirms completion. Confirm that storage quota drops if freeing space is your goal. After emptying trash, verify that the inbox, sent, spam, and any labels no longer show the deleted messages. Use the original search to confirm 0 results. If messages persist, rerun your search with broader terms or check for messages in synced clients that may root-load. Make sure IMAP clients are closed, then repeat deletion. If deletion fails, clear browser cache, try incognito mode, or use Gmail's mobile app. These steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.